Let us see what equipment needed for manufacture copper core and for products. The first equipment is rolling mill.
Each roll his weight is 20趟1300
width. The oxidized surface milled by a milling machine. It is automatically enrolled. Cut and sides. Surface pretreatment. Double-sided calculation loss. Collect the copper chips. Drying treatment. Direct recycling by press a button. For automatically. How much to invest for this kind of factory?
Total5亿2000万美元 Less
Machine can toss and turn millions the thickness of the treasure.
4.0 减0
You can go up to 500 meters a minute. One click automatic winding and unwinding equipment. The RMS detects thickness. Next step is the annealing process. Uniformity of temperature. Because after cold pressing, the tissue inside the material has been deformed and broken. There was stress. It is not convenient for subsequent processing. Annealing can allow the material to recrystallize and distress. The furnace annealing is vacuum. It doesn't oxidize, but there is still color difference. The surface of the material should be adjusted according to different needs. Use a brush stick and abrasive to match the surface of the mud film copper strip. Make the surface of the material bright and uniform in color. Job is clean and wrap. Materials with high surface requirements. For example, strip for lead frames. Stress conductivity. Coefficient of thermal expansion. Density elasticity. Tensile and yield strength, relaxation of stress, fatigue resistance, corrosion resistance, and hundreds of other performance tests. We have to take into account the second property. For example, the properties of the material change after stamping, after electroplating, after welding, etc. For materials after making products, adapt to various complex environments in daily use. This machine equipped with a stretch bending dumpling unit. QC Plus technology, hydraulic IGC rear control system, bending control system, multi-zone cooling system. Each machine are very tall and long. The phone is too small to take a complete picture. Its length is estimated to be 50 meters. The copper tip is passed over this cleaning device, and annealing surface treatment can be done simultaneously. This production line has degreasing, bright annealing, double washing, mucosal polishing. It can be surface animated and dried at the same time. The air cushion furnace, equipped with 5 sets of colorful
4小时 18 zones. 3 cooling
the
zones.
maximum temperature in the heating zone can reach 850 degrees, and the outlet can reduce material temperature to 60 degrees. There are 3 sets of air cushion stoves like this here. Materials roll up here. Complete. The finished product packaging unit is small CE investment. In the future, it will be handed over to regional distributors to complete. Contact us if you need any industry equipment from
或在
China.
+861392820444
info@msgrupchin.com